This is the largest man-made structure on Earth, the Great Wall of China. With more than 1.4 billion people, China is one of the populous country, and this has created many of foundation of the modern world. But let's go back 2600 years ago to ancient China. This wall is a historical one. It began as multiple walls of rammed earth in desert. It is simple and well advanced, built by individual states during the Qing period to protect against nomadic raiders and each others. In 2021 BCE, first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, unified the states, and he decided to expand the small walls that were already built by his predecessors. The Emperor Qin ordered more than 300,000 of soldiers, prisoners, and civilians. Most of them were forced to accomplish this heavy task. Many people lost their lives during the work. After years and years, the wall started to disappearing and being eroded, but its job was not finished. During the World War II, China used sections of the wall to defend against Japanese invasion. Today, the Great Wall became cultural and touristic place. It was granted the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. There's new sections of the Great Wall are still discovered every few years. So,